The VIV-83's industrial vacuum cleaner is built to handle large-scale environments with ease, from offices and malls to warehouses and facilities that demand consistent, high-performance cleaning. Built for powerful performance and better reach, it helps clean elevated surfaces effortlessly without compromising on precision. So whether it's routine upkeep or deep cleaning, every corner, even the ones above eye level, gets the attention it needs.